of the troubleshooting, which is the crystal keep falling off or it's not gonna stay. So this is going to do all of work for you. Don't forget, with no wipe top coat, if you decide to do a matte finish, do a matte top coat on. And then we are going to apply the no wipe top coat on the top, floating. So floating techniques, it means you do not drag it so hard to the point that you pull all of yours condensed glue gels away. You want to just floating on the top. So then your condensed glue gels and the white top coat will really like a suck and grab base of your crystal in. This is number 10, beautiful neon green. Where am I? It's right here. I'm just gonna make sure that is my Facebook is still able to view. It's good. Good. Oh, nice. Mika, stay on the top of it. All right, what shape do you want to see though? Because, hold on, where should I do? I'm just showing them this shape. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Why not? Slay Queen, thank you, thank you. This is the first look. Beautiful. The second one, Isabel, how are you? Top middle one. Let's do all of them. Just kidding.
I like the far right at the top.
This one, Shield.
Yeah, like the design crystal placement you made with the
Far on the top. That one. We can do this one, but do something else because we already have the design. You know?
Yeah.
Create another one.
Ooh.
How about maybe should we do? You ever seen like a neon green on the ocean theme?
That'd be awesome. Do it.
Never, huh? But hey, do something different, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's do some theme for the ocean theme. I'm gonna add some shell here. I just go in and dive in and get some of the shell. And I get the big one and a smaller one. This, I really like that, but I want something bright though. I want this one because it's really like it's so beautiful and it's bright.
Mm-hmm.
This one and this. Oh my goodness. Mika, did you see that? I just destroyed my
Oh no.
Then we will fix it. It's gonna be fine.
These crystals are only available in our kit that's up right now on the website.
Yes. Slay Queen is available as a kit, as a kit, so. Mika, can you get me some star? I mean some shell.
Mm-hmm.
Someone add more shells into that. Right here. Can you dive in? Right here.
Sure. I'll put a picture
Right here. Right here. Right here. See? Here you go, babe.
Mm.
I'm gonna add more shells in it.
There's them right on top.
Here. Get closer. No. There you go.
Right in the middle. Your tree.
Thank you. it's so beautiful. There's so many shells.
There's baby ones in there too.
Yeah, baby one.
Some tiny shells.
We already have like a cute designs. I'm gonna do something different for all of you. And ocean theme. I just drop it. And here is the blue. So the best is to do is place all of your crystals in tight together. That's good, Mika. Checking this one. There you go. I think it might be better. Make sure it's my Facebook. Facebook is seeing okay.
Yes.
And I'm gonna place all of the beads and then the frame close together. Okay. I'm gonna add the beads on. We're making like have a ocean, cool, cute ocean themes, and like even into super cute green colors. I'm gonna add some more beads. Oh my goodness, so many cute beads right here. And super cute flowers right there.
Phone's in the way of this view.
Good. All right, so we have right there.
It was this.
That's okay. But we need to get the Facebook and Instagram can see. Yeah, they're both good. Oh, here tidbits. Here's my nails right here. One hand I'm holding, but here's my nails. It's been 3 weeks though. It's been 3 weeks, but it stay on. Okay. Yes. Say hello to your mom. And more shells. They're so cute. It looks like a treasures, like nails in here. And the background is a maze. All right, continue. I have like SS. If you see on right here, I'm touching it. SSS4, SS6, SSS, SS10, SS12, and SS16. And you continue to add it more on. Oh my god, I like that. I'm gonna use this. Use all the frame you could. Look at that, how adorable it is. I'm doing it slow because I want you to see every single step I do. So then when you place it for your clients or you're doing it, don't feel like it's panicking that you have to do in a rush. Because condensed glue gels and no white top coat will give you ability of you can place it with this. And if you feel like it's not turn out the way you want it, just use a tweezers and then just really is gentle, leap it up and then put the different shape on. So then that way you can place the right shape that you want to. I want some green. It's that cool. It's like green on the green. You know? It looks cool though. So I'm doing it slow so then you can see that how it's hold really cool and tight in there. And I'm in love with all the beads so. You do not have to put the beads on as you go along, but if you want to, absolutely gorgeous. I like to add some more beads on it. See? And you can see that all of my crystals, that beads that I get them really close and tight together so they don't have like a space between. I'm gonna go in and feel more beads in there. Oh, they're so adorable. Mika, I can see your head spinning.
Too close, you can hear me thinking.
She's like, I can't hear. She said, oh, I'm gonna do something it's really cool. She's only coming up with some cool ideas.
Ooh, this is almost like the beach theme set we did last year.
Is that cool? That's nice, huh? And it's in the colors, like a really vibrant colors. So I do a design that you like the most, and then the colors that is Dom fave. So what is your fave colors though? What you red?
Yeah, but the pink and the green, that teal is beautiful.
Oh, well you get it all. That's so awesome.
And they all glow.
They all glow in the dark. The client's gonna be so thrilled because, you know, with all the glow in the dark crystal you offer.
And I love these crystals because I can put them on my toes and they don't come off.
Yes.
They can stay on.
It looks like a treasures right here. All right, more going back. So you can see that, like, if I'm not on the stream, I'm like, beep, 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 done. But I want to show you that how even you go details with this, it's not gonna just like run off from you. It will stay right here waiting for you to put more crystal on. So I'm using all different sizes. Like I'm using size SS3, SS4, I'm sorry, S4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and I just drop one bead. Right there. So that's a really good live video today. So I hope that, you know, you're really enjoying it, and I show you step by step how to place them. I'm gonna take a picture of that design so then you can definitely enjoy it, and you can save it for your preference. If you can't wait, you can definitely screenshot in a little bit, but I have it picture for you. This is tiny, like 0.6. Okay. Is that good? Awesome on Facebook. Facebook fan, thank you so much for stopping by. All right, it depends on how you want your treasure. If you want the treasure to be more, you add more. If not, you are